Good news! We have our own exhibition hall, which visually presents various fine products. More than competitive factory, control the quality from the source of production. With years of production and service experience, the quality is stable and secure, giving you a sense of security. No matter what your needs are, we can provide supporting solutions and provide one-stop service from consultation to after-sales. Choosing us is to choose worry-free, rest assured and at ease. Looking forward to working with you to build a better life together.